Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a project bag that came from Canada from Evertotes. And if you guys watch Fiber Friends on YouTube, I love their vlog. There's 3 friends and they're all from Canada, and I think they're close to Niagara Falls. I'm not positive, but I think they are, just because that's where the address for Evertote is. So it is Caroline is her name, and it looks like, I think she does it with her sister Kathleen, or Kathy, which says Kathleen there. So let's see. Thank you, happy knitting, Caroline. And I got the drawstring big orange floral sock tote. So I got a sock tote. Oh, and look, it came with a little stitch marker that has a little turtle on it. Very cute. And Fiber Friends consists of 3 friends who, like I said, live in Canada. It's Adrienne and Louise and Caroline. And I really like their vlog, so I thought that I would show some love by ordering something from her shop. Now, I don't know that they all sell something, but I know that Adrienne used to dye yarn, but she no longer does that. And Caroline does these bags, and she is a stitcher as well as a knitter. She does cross stitching, wild and free. And she does beautiful work, so I was excited to see, and she loves to sew. So let's see this bag. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It is bigger than I expected it to be, both from the description and from the size of the packaging. She folded it up nicely, and it is just gorgeous. So the inside is polka dots. I love the print. It has a nice bottom. It has a little tag. It says Evertote.com, and this one says Evertote, and it has the Canadian flag, which is cute. And this is a rather nice size, and string it up perfectly. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I need to learn how to do this myself, but it is so, actually I don't, because I love purchasing things from other people. I also love to make my own stuff, and I have made a couple drawstring bags that I've shown you guys. Mine are nowhere near this quality, but it would be cool if I could do it. I would not sell them. I'm not in the market to do that, but these are just so nice. I don't know how they do it. I really don't. It's just wonderful. The way that she does it is beautiful. Look at the edging, how that's all folded in and nice. Mine is definitely not even close to being as nice. But anyway, this is Evertote. And Caroline, I don't know if you watch my vlogs at all, but I really appreciate it. And this stitch marker is super cute. So thank you very much. And I will link her store below. If I've forgotten, please kindly remind me. But thanks guys for watching, and check out her store. You will not be disappointed. She does a great job. Bye-bye.